Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to open the Recorder app and choose Agree and Continue at the bottom. Then select Allow in the pop-ups. And when you're ready, tap on those two dots at the top right corner. Then select Speaker Mode or Receiver Mode. You can also click on the same two dots, but this time select Settings. Now you can check your recording version and also tap on Cloud Sync for recordings. Then tap on this switcher next to Auto Sync to switch it on or off. When you're ready, go back and finally to start your recording, click on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on flag icon on the left. And to end and save your recording, on check mark on the right. Now you can delete your recording right away by tapping on this bin at the top left corner. You can also name it and save it by choosing check mark at the top right one. Now my recording was successfully created. If you wish to play it, click on it. And in order to delete it, hold it instead. Then wait for all of those options to show and click on Delete at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!